The Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development has presented its scorecard to the public as the ministry celebrates 1 year of its establishment. The Supervising Minister, Sadiyat Umar-Farouq, says it has been an eventful, challenging and rewarding journey. Moyo Thomas reports.
It is already a year since President Muhammadu Buhari pronounced the establishment of a new ministry and the appointment of a minister in charge. It was created to develop and coordinate national and international humanitarian interventions caused by unrest and natural disasters. Nigeria is one of the countries that has battled the scourge of terrorism and insurgency, leaving people in desperate need of humanitarian assistance in the process. The deep effects of this menace was almost becoming overwhelming, hence the need for a coordinating ministry for all government's efforts. While these interventions were ongoing, the coronavirus public health crisis happened, increasing the need for further interventions, especially to the very vulnerable people in the country. As the ministry clocks a year, despite many criticism and controversies, there is general belief that the ministry has made an impact and deserves to be celebrated. N-Power has impacted 109,823 people. Government Enterprise and Empowerment Program has empowered over 2.3 million people. Homegrown School Feeding Program has 9,196,823 children enrolled and 103,023 cooks as part of the value chain.
It has finalized processes for the development of the COVID-19 Rapid Response Register, targeting the urban poor, semi- and peri-urban areas.
Coincidentally, the celebration of the 4th anniversary of the ministry is within the World Humanitarian Week. To commemorate the day, the ministry distributed palliatives to IDPs in Wassa, an Abuja suburb, home to about 5,000 internally displaced. A total of about 26,460,000 internally displaced persons in 41 camps in Abuja have benefited from interventions by the ministry. Besides the effect of COVID-19, over 10 million Nigerians are believed to be within the vulnerable bracket, which the ministry is tasked to provide social protection and improve their well-being. Moyo Thomas, TVC News, Abuja.
Moyo joins me now live for the first year anniversary of the Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs. We've seen the scorecard for the past year. What is the master plan for post-COVID intervention, given the controversy that rocked the operations of the ministry in the past months?
Yes, the minister has said that going forward, they have plans to to have a dedicated line for emergency calls, especially as COVID ravages affects the very vulnerable people. And as she's also said at the event, they also have a register for people that are affected so that they can easily access aid and help going forward. And also the ministry, though there has been controversies over its activities, its actions, a lot of people believe that it has impacted it has impacted the very vulnerable people, and that is one of the things she reeled out today as she discussed their 1 year journey so far.
Well, we look forward to more impactful years. Moyo Thomas live for us in Abuja.